It is a day for us to earn. It is a day for us to learn. So let's learn with some special words related to love. So I've taken for you some words which are very important for us to know, and you try to learn and speak fluent English with me, with Jiten Strength. Thank you so much for clicking this video, guys. Let's start today's video. So I have taken for you some words like I have taken for you a word that's called actually horophile. What's horophile? You try to look it, and this is a very important, very fine, very fantastic word for you to know. Horophile is called, the love of traveling. It means that if you love traveling anywhere, if you go in the bus, metro, this and that, for walking here and there, for mooching around, right, in the buses, for traveling. If you love traveling, exactly, so that's mean horophile. You are horophile. Clear? So now, I have taken for you next one, that's called the pluviophile. Pluviophile is called the love of raining. It means that what happens in the rainy season, just we go on the terrace and roof and we enjoy the rainy season. So if you love that rainy season, so that's called, it means the raining, so that's called pluviophile. What's called that? Pluviophile. By the way, phile means love. Okay, so let me tell you the next one. The next one is called heliophile. Heliophile. What's the meaning of this? Helio means sun and phile means love. It means that love of sun. It means that when someone sees in the morning, get up in the morning and sees the sun and feels so nice, fantastic, so it means that he is or she is heliophile. Are you heliophile? If you are, so comment in the comment box. Let me tell you the next one, that's called astrophile. This is a very nice word, actually I like also too. I'm astrophile. If you also comment in the comment box. Astrophile means, astro means stars and phile means love. It means love of stars, that in the night, what happens in the summer season, we sleep on the terrace and the roof and we look upside in the sky, lots of and many more and unlimited stars are there, and we feel so happy, we feel so ecstatic, we feel so supreme joy. So it means that I am astrophile, you are astrophile. Clear? So I have taken for you the next one. If you have understood, thank you so much for clicking this video, right? It means like this video. Now last one I like to tell you, that's called bibliophile. What the meaning of bibliophile, if you know, so comment in the comment box. If you don't, so I'm going to tell you. Bibliophile, biblio means book and phile means love, yeah, lover. Clear? It means the lover of book. It means that who loves book to read, who loves book a lot, that's called bibliophile. Are we bibliophile? We must be bibliophile for learning English, for going ahead in our life. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. So these were the 5 words for you to learn. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.